iPhone 16e, like other iPhone models, has multiple microphones built in to facilitate various functionalities. Here's where you can typically find the microphones and how they are used. The first, bottom microphone, is located near the lightning port. This microphone is primarily used during phone calls and voice recordings when the phone is held to your ear. The second, front microphone, is integrated into the front camera assembly. This microphone is used for FaceTime calls, selfie videos, and when using the speakerphone. The third, rear microphone, is located near the rear camera. This microphone is used for capturing audio during video recording and is also utilized for noise cancellation and stereo recording. Ideal uses of the microphone is phone calls and voice memos, video recording, voice commands, FaceTime and video calls, noise cancellation, accessibility features. Supports features like voiceover for users who need audio feedback. These microphones are finely tuned to pick up your voice clearly while minimizing background noise, ensuring that your interactions and recordings are as clear as possible. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.